Hi, recently I've posted a video talks about data analyst. Why is it so creepy? If you haven't watched it, go to watch it right now. Alright, are you back? Alright, let's continue. Today, let's talk something very important with data analyst. Do you actually learn it for your own benefit or the benefit of the company? Let's discuss about it. If you go on Google or even YouTube right now, you type in data analyst, a lot of people will tell you about data analysts, what do they do, what you need to require, what you need to acquire, what you need to be equipped before you started this job. And most of them are pointing towards the corporate job. Work as a corporate, as in you work as a position of a data analyst or a statistician, and you analyze data given by the company and then come with a proposal, a product, or even a certain conclusion of what a company actually require you to analyze. Most frequent is about their sales, their investment, their return, their revenue, or even their dividends. Well, that is just the prospect of corporate side. But how about others? Is data analyst only limited in corporate job? Where can I use it otherwise? Well, the answer is a lot of different places. Learning data analyst not only equip yourself to analyze data in a company, in a corporate world, it also equip you as analyst to analyze data all over the place. In the previous video, I've mentioned that data is very vulnerable, it's very creepy because all your data, all your information are being leaked out actually. But so how are we gonna use that for our advantage? I know you heard about SEO. I know you heard about trend before. What are those actually? All of that is actually just data. SEO, search engine optimization, uses data crawling. So all the data in the system, when you type something in the search bar, they will crawl through all the system and then see which one ranked well. And then you can use that for your advantage. If you know how data analysis, if you know how to optimize search engine, that is good for you. So all of that are actually data. And if you heard about keywords too, people use it to generate content. They use it to see which term is actually trending right now. They use this term, this keywords tool to analyze and then, spot this trend. Fidget spinner is getting so hot right now. Then we create content. We use it for our own benefits. Trend is just the data collected by the Googles when you search certain terms in the Google search bar. So every data is collected and then there's sketch a graph of the search term, how many people are using the term to search in the Google search engine. So data is everywhere actually. Even when you go to toilet, it is also data. Alright, let's come back. So actually data analyst is not only used for corporate work, it's also for everyone like you and I, even for YouTube, SEO, Google Trend, dropshipping, and more. A lot of data actually being executed and being used daily. You're just not known about it. So that's it for today, guys. If you want to know more about data analysts or even data itself, well, continue to subscribe and push the like button and push the bell, and you will know more about data in the future. Thank you very much.